Gemini, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 16 to 22, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Gemini, what's coming to you? Trust. You trust yourself. Nagtitiwala ka sa iyong sarili, sa iyong kakayanan. You are safe, you are secure. Oh, new beginnings. So, maaring merong nagsisimula na bago sa buhay mo, na nagtitiwala ka na lang dito, na this is for you, no? Siguro yung iba, meron kayong iniwanan na situation, now, you are starting a new life. Okay? Maaring importante ang number 4 sa inyo. This is about stability, foundation. So, maaring nagpo-focus ka sa iyong pundasyon, no, na maging matatag. O, 'di ba? Speaking of matatag, you have courage. You are brave. Malakas ang iyong loob. Alam nyo, number 4 tsaka number 8. Ayan o. 1 plus 7, 8. So you are, ang 8 rin, it reminds me of Saturn. Saturn is the planet of discipline. So, kung iba sa inyo, mas lumalakas yung inyong disiplina sa sarili. Kasi napaka-importante rin ng disiplina sa sarili para ma-achieve natin yung ating mga goal sa buhay. Hindi lang basta lakas ng loob. Kasama rin yung disiplina. Let's see, what is your overall energy for Gemini? Overall energy. Apprentice of Swords. You are learning, Gemini. So, I think this week, you will study. Meron kang mga pag-aaralan. Pwedeng i-research. Gusto mo pang matutunan. Pwedeng itong new beginnings na to related sa ipupurso mo na trabaho, business, career, na you want to get to know. Kumbaga, bago ka pumasok sa ganyang sitwasyon, inaalam mo muna yung pasikot-sikot. Your challenge is the Hanged One. Okay. So, as a challenge, ito yung pag-procrastinate na minsan, isip lang tayo ng isip na, oh, ito maganda tong gawin, or oh, ito maganda tong subukan, pero we're not really taking action. 'Di ba? So, that is your challenge kung paano ka finally magkakaroon ng lakas ng loob na simulan, gawin yung mga plano mo. Your opportunity, Apprentice of Pentacles. So, this is taking practical steps. So, meron kang opportunity na magsimula ng, di ba sa inyo, itong new beginnings na to, bagong trabaho, bagong business, na gusto mong gawin. Oo, so you have the opportunity to learn more, to gather information. Kumbaga, as much as you can, kung ano yung mga kailangan mong matutunan, aalamin mo, no? And then your blessing is justice, which is about equality, stability. Maaring you will be blessed with balance in your life, harmony, kaayusan, na kahit maging busy ka, mamamanage mo pa rin ng maayos yung oras mo, yung panahon mo sa sarili mo, sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Okay, let's see your money, career, finances. And also, ano rin to, kung meron kayong decision making this week, as a blessing, yung decision na magagawa nyo, yun ang makakabuti for you. So, sa money, career, finances, yung ba sa inyo, gusto nyo, meron kayong gustong pag-aralan or pinag-aaralang negosyo na gusto nyong simulan. And I think, dahil sa lakas ng loob mo, sa sarili mo, tiwala mo sa sarili mo, gagawin mo talaga siya. Mm. So, kailangan, and I feel like, isa sa magbibigay sa'yo ng lakas ng loob ay isang tao na marami ring alam tungkol dito sa gusto mong i-pursue. Like, for example, gusto mo maging virtual assistant, pero wala ka masyadong experience or uh, information tungkol doon. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will consult with someone na may alam tungkol doon. Or kung sa business naman, hahanapin mo yung taong pwede mong maging mentor, someone who will guide you sa business na gusto mong subukan. Meron ding travel opportunities for you. Very prominent yung number 8 sa inyo. At saka number 4. So, pwedeng yan ay importante yung numbers. So, sa love life, you have the 9 of Cups, the 4 of Wands, wow, the 9 of Swords. Okay. Kung ikaw ay nagkakaroon ng challenge sa iyong relationship, na nasistress ka, this will be resolved. Maayos. Pwedeng merong tutulong na family member or someone will help you sort things out. Someone will give you advice. Ayan. Para maayos yung situation nyo. Especially sa family, no? Pwede kasi itong family issue, family matters with your parents or yung in-laws mo kung meron ka ng asawa. But eventually, this will be resolved. Okay? And then, if you are single, pwedeng papasok ka sa isang relationship na matagal mo nang pinag-iisipan kung papasok ka ba. Kasi, pwedeng may trust issues ka. Okay? But now, maglalakas loob ka for this new beginning. Okay? So, yung iba papasok sa isang bagong relationship. So, just take whatever resonates with you. But I think, hindi mo na to may iwasan kasi it seems na in love. In love ka na. Okay, this can be pareho mo na air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Labyrinth, spiritual quest, sorting things out. Yeah, if it feels like meron kang masosolve na problema or issue na gumugulo sa isip mo ngayon. You have resources that you need. Okay. Kung ikaw ay nagbabalak na magnegosyo or magsimula ng isang pwede mong pagkakitaan, I feel like there is someone na malaking maitutulong or may aambag sa'yo ng taong to. This can be someone. This can be a mentor, a teacher, or your family member, a friend na expert doon or may alam doon. Kasi itong labyrinth is like a puzzle na isosolve mo. And you have the resources that you need for that para ma-solve mo yon. Okay, so don't worry. Be happy. Okay. Let's see. Library, take control of your own narrative. Yes. So, kumbaga, yung mga paniniwala mo sa buhay, you live by example, na hindi mo lang siya sinasabi na, ito yung mantra ko, pero hindi ka naman nagpa-follow talaga sa mantra na yon. So, some of you, number 4 na naman, Some of you, maaring you are going to free yourself from someone na nagko-control ng iyong desisyon. So, palalayain mo yung sarili mo dyan kasi alam mo na meron ka ng sarili mong isip para makapag-desisyon what is best for you. And like what I mentioned kanina, yung blessing mo is the best possible decision na you could ever done for this week moving forward. And itong books na to, it represents your knowledge, yung mga information na kailangan mong malaman. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye.